Hey guys, NaturallyNellzy here today, and we're going to be doing a quick review on the Foreo Luna 2. Now, the one that I'm trying is the pink one, and this one is for gals who have normal skin. I've been hearing a lot of cool different things about this. You guys know I'm into skincare, so I figured we are going to visit the website, see exactly what they are promising, and then we're going to try it out. So as you guys can see the next screen, the process is simple. You're supposed to lather, you're supposed to use it, and then wash your face, and then use the anti-aging part. So we are going to start with step number 1, and this involves just getting any old cleanser, and you're just going to use this to lather it on your face. See, the way that the Luna 2 works is that it has T-sonic technology, and that's supposed to give like 8,000 pulsations per minute. And just think of it as like little vibrations in this little thing, and it's supposed to get all of the makeup, all of the gunk and dirt and all that nasty stuff out of your face because it has those vibrations. Another thing that I loved about this is that even though they're not really bristles, these are like a very soft, non-porous medical grade silicone, and they say it's supposed to be at least 35 times more hygienic than the nylon bristles that you and I are usually used to. So that's going to be a plus, and especially when we're moving on to the next step, which is like the dew purpose that you get out of the Luna 2. Now once you actually did cleanse your face, you're just going to rinse it off, and as you guys can see those ridges on the sides of the other part, this is when you're actually going to basically get all of that good stuff in your skin, like your favorite serums, your favorite moisturizers. It's supposed to just give you a anti-aging kind of facial in a sense, and it's going to lock everything in there by, I guess, lifting it up with gravity. I have only been trying it for a couple of days, so I can't really say if that works, but at the end of the day, it really does feel good. It's a very, very nice massage. And it's also cool because if you want to adjust the vibrations, depending on how deep you want to give yourself that massage, it has like 12 different speeds you can use. But here are the final results. I feel like my face did look more glowy, if that makes any sense, and it did feel more smooth as well. So let me know what you guys thought about the Luna 2. Is this something you would try? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video, guys.